Access granted.
Forgive me, Sensei, for I must go all out. Just this once. Did I build a custom keyboard based off the legendary Tofu 65 with a custom engraved Burger Man on the back for my best friend? Then gave a confusing riddle in a wizard accent to help him find it in his house? I feel like that's kind of specific. Don't answer that. Yes, I did. I'm Steven, you're watching Kiwi, and open up the hatch of your 8.6 because it's tofu time, baby! I'm back, spending more money on mechanical keyboards. But this time it doesn't count because I'm building one for one of my best friends. If you've been deep enough in this hobby for long, you've probably heard of the Tofu 65, and that's because it's a fairly priced mid-range board that's a lot of people's first mechanical keyboard. I've always loved the style of the board, but I chose this keyboard in particular because the Tofu 65 2.0 has a beautiful brass plate on the back, which is perfect for my vision. A vision of a man, not just any man, a burger man. My friend, who's famously known across the world for his main character choice in the AAA title 2006 Game of the Year, Burger King's Big Bumper. So, naturally, I took to the drawing board and I drew my friend as Burger Man, and then called places of professional business and asked them to engrave it on the back of my keyboard. And funny enough, I actually found one that did. For the build itself, I want to make a board that is a ton of fun to game on. So we're going for an all-white themed build with a deeper sound profile and a ton of flex to make repetitive movements fun. The Tofu 65 is a really interesting board because it can be top-mounted, sock-mounted, or bowl-mounted. And the kit itself comes with a bunch of foam so you can customize how you want your board to sound and feel. I also bought an extra case from KBD fans, so the presentation will be mega pogs. This keyboard kit also comes with some stabs, and I tried using them in the original build, so I trimmed them, I lubed them, I tried getting them perfect, and they turned out terrible. Really, really bad. So I ended up getting some TX AP stabs fit for a 1.2mm PCB that are clip-in, and as usual, they solved all of my problems. Now I know what you're thinking. Steven, that sounds a whole lot like a skill issue to me. And to that I say, hiya! For the switches, I went with the Coffee Chip switches from Canon Keys. I've always wanted to try these out. These are known for having a deeper sound profile and kind of a medium tactile bump. These switches are manufactured by Texi and have a PME housing and a palm stem. I'm gonna be honest, they sound and feel amazing. Both these and the Neapolitan ice cream switches are S tier in my book, any day. I lubed these with Tribosis 3203 and tried a bunch of different films, but ended up going with no films, because I like the tactile feel the best. Now, since my friend isn't just a burger man, he's also my coding sensei. I'm going with the GMK Honor keycaps from Novel Keys. These are the light colorway. They are so awesome. After testing multiple different combinations of foam, tape, and mounting style, this is my favorite. I ended up going with a tape mod, a thin pour-on sheet in front of the PCB, and some light case foam, and that's it. I didn't use the plate foam, which you are technically supposed to, but I think the sound and the feel is so much better without it. I also decided that I prefer the sound and feel of the sock-mounted style of this keyboard. I love how this thing turned out. It sounds just like shaking a can of spray paint, and it's so addictive to type on. The flex is so fun. It's just the perfect amount of bounce. And I know my sensei will be proud to wield it. Hiya! The only question is, will he be able to find it? Because this keyboard is actually going to be hidden inside his house. I reached out to his wife, and we came up with a plan. I would send out the keyboard shipped under her name. She would then receive the package and then hide it somewhere he would never check. Then all there was pretty much left to do was tell him where it was hidden with a bad wizard impression. And I put on my wizard hat and my cloak. Weary traveler, if you can answer this simple riddle, it'll lead you to treasure. Would you like to accept?
What kind of treasure?
Treasure.
Oh,
it's buried
just treasure
in your house right now. If you solve this riddle, you can find it.
All right, what's the riddle?
Spaghetti bolognese. Just kidding. I am a private retreat, a place to find relief, a room where many secrets lie beneath.
Wait, are you telling me you took a shit in my house?
Well, you have to solve the riddle first.
You want me to go look?
Yes.
In my bathroom.
Yeah.
What am I gonna see, huh? I don't understand. Should I? What am I looking for? Am I looking in my toilet bowl? In which bathroom?
A room where secrets lie beneath.
I genuinely have just looked inside my toilet for you.
I'll give you a hint. It's not the toilet. But it is hidden in a bathroom in your house.
Like a what's it called? Cabinet?
I don't know what that is, but maybe.
I almost believe you right now that there's something magical hidden under my sink.
Well, when you know the 10 rules of magic, anything's possible.
Bro, what? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, you actually?
Did you find
Wait. I completely I felt like such a dumbass walking around my house just now looking at shit because I'm like, obviously there's nothing here. What do you? What? I can't believe you actually had a legitimate, like, a riddle that actually applied to my life, and now I'm actually opening a magic box that a dumpster wizard has sent me. This is crazy, dude. This is the most immersive, like, experience of my life. What is? Wait, I see a coiled cable. Oh my fucking god. You're no dumpster wizard, are you? You're a much cooler kind of wizard. Oh my god, bro! Oh!
Take it out and flip it over.
Oh. Oh my god, dude, these keycaps. Oh, it's so heavy. No fucking way. Who are you calling Burger Boy? Oh, I don't even want to touch it. It's just too beautiful. Oh, dude, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Dude, holy shit. You did not have to do this. And
so it's all,
thank you so fucking much.
Would I recommend the Tofu 65 2.0? Yes, it is awesome. I love this board. It feels really premium. I think it's pretty fairly priced considering what you get. The materials are really nice. The sound is great. It does tend to lean towards a higher sound profile, but it doesn't have to. KBD fans make some great stuff. Check them out. This video isn't sponsored, but one day, if you all subscribe, maybe that could happen. All right, that's all I got on the Tofu 65 2.0. Show me some love in the comments. Hit that like button. We just hit 50 subs. Let's go. Thank you guys. Everybody take care. And remember to do nice things for your friends once in a while. Especially your sensei. Hiya! Never forgive me. Don't you mean forget? No. Take care, guys. Peace.